subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Honor has silently launched its new affordable 5G phone in Malaysia called Honor X7a with quite premium looking design. Now going through the specifications. The Honor X7a features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus IPS display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G37 chipset, paired with PowerVR G8020 GPU, and it packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Honor X7a supports a quad camera setup on the rear that includes one 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Magic UI 6.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 22.5W super fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.48 by 76.85 by 8.27mm and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X7a has been priced in Malaysia at 799 Malaysian ringgits. And it is now available for purchase in the country in ocean blue, titanium silver and midnight black color options. So what do you guys think of this Honor X7a smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.